Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Lexus GS 350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the menu, back, up, down, left, right, and enter on the button. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Excuse me. You're going to be pressing the menu button. Now go click left or right to go find your page, which is here at the setting. Go ahead and go into the menu setting, enter on the vehicle setting, scroll down to schedule maintenance, enter on that, scroll up to yes, enter on that. Now go back, go down to oil maintenance. You also have to reset that too, enter on that, scroll up, yes on that, and that is it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.